The stock market can be a wild roller coaster, right? One day everything's sunshine and rainbows. The next day it feels like the financial world is ending. But here's the thing. What if I told you that market crashes aren't just disasters, but actually golden opportunities in disguise? Think about it like this. Imagine your favorite store suddenly announcing a massive 50% off sale. Would you run away in panic? Of course not. You'd probably be first in line, credit card ready. Well, market crashes work pretty much the same way, just on a bigger scale. Let me share something interesting. During the 2008 financial crisis, Amazon stock dropped to around $40. Today, it's worth over 30 times that amount. And speaking of 2008, imagine if you'd bought Apple stock back then. You'd have multiplied your money by more than 40 times by now. But here's the catch. Most people were too scared to buy during that crash. So, how do we turn these market meltdowns into money-making opportunities? First things first, preparation is absolutely key. You need to be like a smart squirrel, storing nuts before winter hits. Keep some cash ready, have a shopping list of great companies you'd love to own, and most importantly, have a solid plan before chaos strikes. 'Cause trust me, when everyone's panicking, having a clear head and ready cash is like having a superpower. Now let's talk about fear. It's fascinating how market panic works. When everyone's selling in a frenzy, even amazing companies get thrown out with the bathwater. It's like people suddenly deciding that Rolex watches are worthless just because the jewelry store is having a bad day. That's when the real opportunities show up. But here's where discipline comes in, and this is crucial. Being greedy when others are fearful sounds great in theory, but it's incredibly hard in practice. Your emotions will be screaming at you to sell everything and hide under your bed. The media will be predicting the end of the world. Your friends might think you're crazy for buying stocks. This is exactly why long-term investors who keep their cool during market crashes tend to build serious wealth. They understand something fundamental. The market has always recovered. Always. Every single crash in history has been followed by new highs. Sure, it might take months or even years, but patience is where the real money is made. I'll let you in on a little secret. The truly wealthy investors I know actually get excited during market crashes. While everyone else is panicking, they're calmly reviewing their shopping lists, looking for quality companies at discount prices. They've trained themselves to see crashes not as disasters, but as rare opportunities to buy excellent businesses at bargain prices. Remember, successful investing isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about being prepared, staying disciplined, and having the courage to act when opportunities present themselves. Keep some dry powder ready, maintain a clear head when others lose theirs, and most importantly, view market crashes as what they really are, temporary sales on great companies. The next time the market takes a nosedive, instead of joining the panic, ask yourself, what opportunities am I seeing that others are missing? Because often that's where the biggest returns are hiding.